And we're back, and this time I'm going to show you how to create a simple portrait effect in Adobe Photoshop. What you need is obviously a portrait. You will find this via the description link below. Press Ctrl T and you can resize that. This one's already positioned correctly and resized. We want to make that black and white, so use an adjustment layer, black and white. Let me use auto and I see what Photoshop offers me. And I adjust it slightly to my needs. So it is just a matter of taste, and it depends on the photo that you use. The next step is to use an adjustment layer, brightness and contrast. Once again, I'll check auto first. Let me see what Photoshop does. And then I adjust it by hand. I want to have it a little bit brighter. That should be fine. The next step is to create a rectangle. Let me open a new layer. And I hold Alt when I drag that. Let me position that. I want to have it right below the eyes. And I change the color. So just click on the properties menu on fill. And I want to use a green color. Now change the blending mode. Multiply delivers most of the time the best results. And when you pick a color, you want to go in that direction. So don't go too far to the right and too far to the top. So you can change the color with the slider, but keep the tone right around this area. And I want to have it so that it exceeds the left hand side. I think that looks fine. And I want to add some name tag. And when I do that, I give it the same color as this rectangle. You can just directly use the color picker. Click on your rectangle on the photo. Maybe I'll adjust it a little bit. And I use a different font. Let me size it up. That should be good value, 30. And I'll try out different positions. You can use a guide, so just press Ctrl R for the rulers and drag a guide out of the left hand side. I don't like that position. Let me bring it back to the left hand side and I'll align it to the left once more. You don't want to use a blending mode on the text, so keep that to normal. In most cases, that's the best option. And this is how you can recreate this portrait effect in Adobe Photoshop. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.